Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is early. Wednesday, December 11, 2019. So today is Fed Day. We're going to hear from the Fed. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret, or maybe a big one. It no longer matters whatsoever what the Fed announces they're going to do with regard to cutting rates, raising rates, keeping them the same. It doesn't matter. It's unprecedented what they are doing now, pumping this debt market, faking every part of the yield curve. There's all kinds of stuff going on under the table. These central banks are still buying each other's debt. So you know what? I have called this Federal Reserve for an entire decade. I have the best record on the planet. I have been wrong once. As of now, I am retiring from calling what the Fed will do. Doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter. We understand that no matter what comes out of their mouth, they're going to pump this debt market, buy this market, do things that are just unbelievable. It's completely fake. What else is there to say? So why bother saying, oh, the Fed is going to do this or the Fed is going to do that? I'm done. I'm not doing it anymore. It doesn't matter. So anyway, with that said, what are we doing? We're trading the market we have. We're going to rip its face off like you have no idea. We're going to make this work for us. Everything you need is on my website to do it. You don't need a degree in rocket science to beat this market. It couldn't be easier, especially because I'm telling you everything to do. You know what to do. Couldn't be easier. So with that said, expect stocks to gain. They're going higher. There's no doubt about it. Crude oil is going to be propped up. Precious metals and cryptocurrencies will remain under pressure for the foreseeable future. Bet against this debt. Become your own central bank. You know what the long-term plays are. This is like taking candy from a baby. It's that simple. The Washington charade that's going on, the narratives. Let's talk about fake narratives. So this morning we found out that inflation ticked up yet again. This has been going on for months. Meanwhile, the false narrative of there's no inflation is going to be shoved down your throat. Do you know why? You must be made a fool of before the world. You must be convinced that what you're seeing is not real. Henceforth, this completely fake environment. You know that. It's incredible. Their own data, they tell you, oh, no. Ignore it. There's no inflation. Why? Because they must convince you that everything is fine so they can pump trillions of dollars, make it out of thin air, pump it into this market and tell you everything is just great as our economy free falls and the stock market continues to go higher. Makes sense, doesn't it? So twisted. It's so twisted. All right, look. Short video, but I think important. Please share it. Get it out there. I'll see you at the end of the day.